If you're like me, you love kebabs. But let's face it, the struggles of picking the right meat, cutting, marinating, and skewering it can become a major disaster. But fear not, for I have a perfect solution for you. Introducing Kebab Daddy Meats, the original creators of marinated kebabs shipping nationwide. They deliver premium marinated and skewered kebab meats right to your doorstep. Kebab Daddy Meats offers the best quality meat at unbeatable prices compared to the other online meat delivery services. Now, when it comes to ordering, it couldn't get easier than this. Kebab Daddy Meats has the most user-friendly, state-of-the-art website. Just head over to kebabdaddymeats.com, fill in your box, or pick one of the preset boxes crafted by Kebab Daddy and place your order. They use state-of-the-art meat processing facilities to ensure the freshness and taste of the meat. They ship the meat in insulated boxes to help keep it frozen and fresh during transit, and use reliable carriers to deliver your order in 2 days anywhere in the U.S. You can track your order online and enjoy your meat as soon as it arrives. They offer a wide variety of premium, high-quality, all-natural and natural halal meats, outsourcing from the top-name brands in the industry. Use the coupon code KDM23 for a 15% introductory discount. But hurry, it's only for a limited time. Place your order today and experience quality Mediterranean right at your doorstep.